Hi Blue Math Group. Today's lesson is lesson 12.7. You can find it in your Go Math book on page 471. Metric units of mass and liquid volume. Essential question, how can you use models to compare metric units of mass and liquid volume? So we're on metrics still. When we're talking about mass, we're talking about the amount of matter in an object. So for example, a cereal box will list the mass. 510 grams on this box of family-sized Cheerios. Liquid volume refers to the amount of space occupied by a liquid. So on this water, this says 5/10 liter or half a liter. So mass is the amount of matter in an object. Metric units of mass include kilograms and grams. Liters and milliliters are metric units of liquid volume. So let's go ahead and take a look at the lesson. Continue on page 471. You can see these two charts. The charts show the relationship between these units. So we're talking about metric units of mass. 1 kilogram, abbreviation kg, equals 1,000 grams, abbreviation g. Metric units of liquid volume, 1 liter, abbreviation capital L, equals 1,000 milliliters, abbreviation lowercase m, uppercase L. So let's go ahead and look at example 1. Compare kilograms and grams. So kilograms and grams. Becky planted a flower garden full of bluebonnets. She used 9 kilograms of soil. How many grams of soil is that? The number of kilograms is 9. The number of grams in 1 kilogram is 1,000. So you can take 9 times 1,000. 9,000 total grams. So Becky used 9,000 grams of soil to plant her bluebonnets. Pretty straightforward. So before we move on to example 2, let's take a look at the purple box on the right. So knowing this relationship, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Are kilograms larger or smaller than grams? Kilograms are larger. Question 2. Will the number of grams be greater than or less than the number of kilograms? You got 1 kilogram and you got 1,000 grams. So 1,000 is greater than 1. So greater than. And what operation will or did we use to solve the problem? We used multiplication. Example 2 is comparing liters and milliliters. So 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Becky used 5 liters of water to water her bluebonnet garden. How many milliliters of water is that? So number of liters is 5. How many milliliters in 1 liter? 1,000. So the 5 liters times the 1,000 equals 5,000 total milliliters. So Becky used 5,000 milliliters of water. All right, let's go ahead and look at page 472, share and show. Number 1, there are 3 liters of water in a pitcher. How many milliliters of water are in the pitcher? So, looking back at, if you need to look back at the table, how many milliliters are in 1 liter? 1,000 milliliters. in 1 liter, since I am changing from a larger unit to a smaller unit, I can, what operation will I use? Multiply 3 by 1,000 to find the number of milliliters in 3 liters. So there are 3 times 1,000, 3,000 milliliters of water in a pitcher. So let's go ahead and continue on. Share and show. Complete. So 4 liters equals how many milliliters? Well, if we remember our relationship, 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter, then 4 times 1,000 in 4 liters. So 4,000 milliliters. Now we're talking about kilograms and grams. So how many grams were in a kilogram? 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So if there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram, how many in 6 kilograms? 6 times 1,000, 6,000. So on your own, oops, sorry. I want you to complete 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm going to give you a few minutes to do that, and then I will give you some feedback on that. So in 4 and 5, you complete the relationship. 6 and 7, compare using less than, greater than, or equal to. So remember, put them all in grams. Put them all in milliliters. Then you can compare them easier. And then 8 and 9, complete the table. So complete the liters column, the milliliters column, the kilogram column, the gram column. So I'll give you a few minutes for that, and then give you some feedback. All right, let's go ahead and get some feedback on that. So 8 kilograms equals how many grams? 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, so 8 kilograms would be 8,000 grams. Number 5, 7 liters equals how many milliliters? Well, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, so 7 liters would be 7,000 milliliters. Now we're going to compare. So like I said, I would compare grams to grams. So 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. And you could see that 1,000 grams is greater than 900 grams. Number 7, 2 liters compared to 2,000 milliliters. So 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. 2 liters would be 2,000, so they are equal. Complete the table. So 1 liter, 1,000 milliliters. 2 is 2,000. 3 is 3,000. 4 liters is 4,000 milliliters. 5 is 5,000. 6 is 6,000. 7 liters is 7,000. 8 liters, 8,000 milliliters. 9 liters, 9,000 milliliters. 10 liters, 10,000. And over here to kilograms and grams. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. 2 kilograms, 2,000. 3 kilograms, 3,000. 4 kilograms, 4,000 grams. 5 kilograms, 5,000 grams. 6 kilograms, 6,000 grams. 7 kilograms, 7,000 grams. 8 kilograms, 8,000 grams. 9 kilograms, 9,000 grams. And 10 kilograms, 10,000 grams. All right, moving on to page 473. Let's take a look at the even number problems. So number 10. Frank wants to fill a fish tank with 8 liters of water. How many milliliters is that? So we already know that 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So 8 times 1,000 equals 8,000 milliliters. Don't forget your labels. Number 12. Jared's empty backpack has a mass of 3 kilograms. He doesn't want to carry more than 7 kilograms on a trip. How many grams of equipment can Jared pack? So if we know his empty backpack already weighs 3 kilograms, he doesn't want to carry more than 7. So how do I determine how many grams of equipment that he can put into that backpack if he doesn't want to carry more than 7 kilograms? If you said subtract, you would be correct. But look, we're in kilograms, and they want their answer in grams. So we need to convert 7 kilograms and 3 kilograms to grams. So we know that's going to be 7,000 grams minus the 3,000 grams, which means the most he can pack is 4,000 grams of equipment. And last but not least, number 14. This is a hot problem, friends. A 500-gram bag of granola costs $4. And a 2-kilogram bag of granola costs $15. What is the cheapest way to buy 2,000 grams of granola? All right, so think about this. These are 500-gram bags. This is a 2-kilogram bag. And the question is asking 2,000 grams. So at the moment we have kilograms. We want our answer, cheapest way to buy 2,000 grams. So my first thought is to think of this as 2,000 grams. So 2,000 gram bag equals $15. Now my second thing is, I need to think about, I buy this in 500-gram bags, and each 500-gram bag costs me $4. So if I need 2,000 grams, how many 500-gram bags do I need to make 2,000 grams? So 500 times what equals 2,000? If you said 4, you are correct. So I would need to buy 4 500-gram bags. Each costs $4. So if I need 4 $4 bags, that's going to cost me $16, friends. So if I want to, what is the cheapest way to buy 2,000 grams? If I buy a 2,000-gram bag, it's 15. If I buy 4 500-gram bags, it's 16. So the cheapest way is to buy a 2,000-gram bag, which is a 2-kilogram bag, because 15 is $1 less than 16. Thank you. So for homework, we're doing, homework is page 233 and page 234, just like we always do. So front and back. Today's lesson, I would like you to do the odds. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Turn the page to 234 and do number 1. And I would like you to do all of the spiral review, please. Please submit it on Seesaw or through email. Thanks again.